Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Students, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं we have started numbers and we are done with number 1 and number 2. So can you tell me what number comes after 2? 1, 2 and 3. Let's see now. Number 3 look like. Make 2 little bumps. 1, 2. That's number 3. 2 small curves on top of each other. That's number 3 for you. Dear students, look here this picture on page number 15. We see 3 cherries. Let's count them. 1, 2 and 3. Cherry, cherry, very red cherry. Cherry, cherry, very sweet cherry.